In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from Commonwealth Bank to another bank. So this will be possible using the CommBank app or the Bank. And of course, for a normal Australian bank transfer, you'll usually need the person account name, BSB, and account number. You can also send money using PayID if someone has one set up. So first of all, you'll need to open your bank and sign in into your account. At the bottom, you will find Pay. Make sure to go and click on Pay, then select Pay Someone. Once you do so, you will find the plus button at the top right, so make sure to go and click on that to add the person that you want to pay. If you already have the person added, you can just go and choose from the list that you have. So if you don't, click on the plus at the top right and then choose an example bank. Of course, after that, you'll have to enter their bank details like the account name, BSB, and the account number. Of course, the BSB is a 6-digit number that identifies the banks and branch in Australia, so check all of these details carefully before continuing. Then, once you enter that person, just select it from the list, it will be added to the list, select it, and then you will be taken here to choose the amount that you want to send. You can also add a description, so you and the other person know what the payment is for. Then click on Next, and they will show you an example, a page where you will be able to review the payment. So before sending the money, check the person, name, account number, BSB, amount, and this is important because sending money to the wrong bank accounts can be difficult to fix. So if everything is correct, just continue with the payment and then tap on transfer or send send the payments and you should be good to go. Keep in mind that there is the option of using PayID. If the other person has PayID, you may need their BSB and account number, and from Pay and Pay Someone, you can choose to pay someone using a supported PayID, such as the person, registered phone number, email, and other option that you'll find there. So PayID payments can work between participants Australian banks only. So make sure to do it. Enter their email address or whatever option that you want. Choose the amount, click on next, choose the amount, and review what you're going to send, and then you can send. So that's how you transfer money from Commonwealth Bank to another bank. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.